Anchorage, Alaska, Lake Hood. This is the 2021 Alaska Airmen's Raffle plane. Once again, we built a Super Cub. It's looking awesome. Just today, Warning Lights of Alaska came in and they put on our decals and stripes. Want to call out Jonathan at Plane Schemers. He's in Alabama, and if you need to figure out how to make an airplane look like this, Jonathan, Plane Schemers, he's in Alabama. He's the one that helped us make this thing pop like this. Okay. Secondly, Warning Lights of Alaska did our decals. They came in today and they put the transfer stickers on the airplane. The decals on the bush wheels came from Sean McLaughlin at Airframes and Bush Wheels. He supplied us the awesome orange stickers. I'm not sure whether he copied our color or we copied him, but it looks good. Okay, so what else do we have left to do? We're in the final rigging stages. I'm the IA that's signing off the logbooks. I'm about ready to sign the annual. We've got to fly the thing to Northern Lights Avionics. I'll do that possibly Friday or Monday, and they have to certify the transponder, get a static test. They've got to set up the Garmin 345 in and out, ADSB in and out, so that it talks the language, 1.5 X-ray, and they're going to swing the compass so that the compass for the GI 275, it's got a remote compass in this wing, in the left wing. They got to get it swung a little bit so that I'm going to go fly it and get the engine broke in. And after the engine's broke in and it rigs and it flies straight, then we'll bring it back to Northern Lights Avionics and they'll finish tweaking it and make the GI 275 perfect.
I've had a lot of questions on where people can get tickets.
Tickets are available here at the hangar at 3610 Aircraft Drive at Lake Hood, but you got to come in and you got to put your credit card in the machine here, and you can call Alaska Airmen's Association and get tickets. And Alaska Airmen's Association number, so once again, 907-245-1251, and they can give you tickets over the phone. Can't call me and get you tickets. I got to have your credit card, or you put your credit card in the machine, type in your number, it spits it out. The winning ticket's gonna come from that machine, I know it.